Another wildfire in California, this one in the Angeles National Forest near Los Angeles. Hard on the heels of an even bigger blaze in mountains nearby. That fire, burning through dry bush and fanned by strong winds, started on Wednesday and is still burning, displacing nearly 2,000 people, killing wildlife and burning dozens of homes to the ground. It's been a brutal fire season in the state, made longer and more severe by lower than usual rainfall. Nearly twice as much land has gone up in flames than in previous years. Planes, helicopters, trucks and thousands of firefighters have been mobilized to try and control the flames. Even fire itself has been enlisted in this one-sided battle against nature, with firefighters themselves burning out areas of bush to create fire breaks.
As it turns to black, which won't burn anymore, it widens that line out and it removes the fuel that's available to burn. You're fighting the fire with fire.
But with the fire-fanning Santa Ana winds yet to arrive, California is braced for more to come until the temperature finally drops. Simeon Patterson, BBC News.